Hi everyone, today we're going to learn about the Lunda people. They're a Bantu group from Central Africa, mainly in the Democratic Republic of Congo. That's in South Central Africa, on a big high flat area called a plateau. The Lunda have a really interesting history, especially their powerful kingdom. The Lunda and the Luba people share a common ancestor. Their early history is all mixed up together. Around the 1500s, the Lunda became their own separate group. They speak a language called Kilunda, which is a Bantu language. The Lunda have a strong tradition of storytelling and passing down history through talking, not writing. They're great farmers, growing things like cassava and corn. They also keep farm animals. Family and community are super important to the Lunda. They're led by chiefs who have a lot of power. Way back in the 1500s, the Lunda kingdom was born. A Luba prince named Sibinda Ilunga is said to have started it. He introduced new political ideas that helped shape the kingdom. The Lunda kingdom grew really fast, taking over new lands and making allies. Soon it was huge, covering parts of Angola and Zambia too. The kingdom was famous for its strong central government and powerful army. The Lunda kings were very important, controlling trade and collecting taxes. One of the most famous rulers was Queen Nzinga. She was a brave warrior and a clever leader. She fought against the Portuguese when they tried to take over in the 1600s. Sadly, the Lunda kingdom became weaker in the 1800s because of fighting within the kingdom and problems from outside. But the Lunda people survived. They still keep their culture alive today. You can still see the Lunda's influence in the art and traditions of the region. The Lunda's story is one of strength. They had a great system of government and a rich culture. They still inspire their descendants today. The Lunda people are an important part of Central Africa's mix of cultures. Their story continues,